How you can buy a Ripple XRP on Phantom Wallet. So first of all, you cannot get the real XRP on Phantom Wallet even if you go for third-party exchange platforms like Jupiter. And if I search for XRP, as you can see, it is not going to show me anything. If it is showing me, it is a non-verified token. So if I go to this specific website, which is CoinMarketCap, as you can see, if I click on contracts, we have multiple contracts which we can purchase on MetaMask or Trust Wallet. But if I again scroll down, we can see all these platforms that have XRP on them, and then you can buy from them. So the most popular one is the Binance. You can simply click on it, and then this is going to take you to the Binance where you can sign up with your account. If you do not have one, you can simply create one and then verify. Once you have verified, you can click on buy, enter the amount, and simply purchase your XRP. So right now Phantom Wallet doesn't have any option of holding the XRP Ripple, so I recommend to having a separate wallet where you can get the XRP Ripple. So yeah, hope this helped. Make sure to sub and like to the channel.